Let's see the next MCQ, that is called the emergency hormone will be. We have here 4 hormone, okay, out of that we have to select one. The first hormone is called as the insulin hormone, okay. You all know that insulin hormone is secreted by our pancreas, okay. The isolate of beta cells of the isolate of Langerhans secretes the insulin hormone, and insulin required for the glucose metabolism, it required for the carbohydrate metabolism, okay. Until and unless insulin will not be secreted, glucose will not be allow or will not be enter into the cell, okay. And that's why cells get under the atrophy condition, and when cell not getting their proper amount of glucose, cell will be die, okay. That particular situation will be seen, okay. That's why insulin regulates the glucose metabolism, it regulates the carbohydrate metabolism, it go there, okay. Every cells has a insulin receptor, it bind to them that particular receptor and allow to entry of glucose molecule into the cell, okay. Until and unless insulin hormone is not secreted into the blood, it not secreted by our pancreas, glucose molecule will not be allow, okay, will not be enter into the cell, okay. So that's why that particular condition is called as a diabetic one, okay, where the insulin is not secreted by our pancreas, or pancreas unable to secrete the insulin, a proper amount of insulin is not secreted by our pancreas, and that's why glucose molecule, a lot number of glucose molecule is circulated into the bloodstream, but cells does not have ability to enter that particular glucose molecule into it, because the insulin receptor is controlled by our insulin, okay. So that is nothing but insulin is a carbohydrate regulatory, okay. It regulates the carbohydrate metabolism, which is required for our proper condition of cells, okay. It is a source of the cells, okay. So that is not a emergency hormone, it is required for our 24-hour, okay. The second one is called the adrenaline hormone. This is the correct answer, okay. So before that description, let's something know about that progesterone hormone. Progesterone hormone is nothing but is a pregnancy hormone, it required for the thickness of the endometrium, okay. So thickness of the endometrium, as the thickness of the endometrium will be increased, the baby, okay, the embryo or the fetus will be grow there, okay. And that is called as the progesterone hormone, is a pregnancy hormone, it is a birth hormone, okay. That will not be emergency hormone, okay. The fourth hormone is called as thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormone, you all know that iodine is helping in the formation of thyroxine, okay. And thyroxine helps the proper shape, okay, proper growth of the body, it help in the basal metabolic rate, it converts the glucose, okay, it help in the glucose metabolism as well, okay. So that is all function or guarded by or controlled by our thyroxine hormone, okay. That is all not also a emergency hormone. The second answer will be our correct answer, that is called the adrenaline hormone, okay. So adrenaline hormone, it is a hormone which is secreted in the emergency condition, such as flight, fight, and something like condition, okay, where the body needs a large number of or large quantity of glucose molecule, okay. Then adrenaline converts the glycogen into the glucose, okay. Though you all know that glycogen is nothing but it is a stored part of the glucose, okay. Whenever body needs large amount of glucose, or whenever body needs glucose, okay, the store glycogen will convert into the glucose, okay. So that is all conversion is taking place over adrenaline hormone, okay. Whenever the in the flight like condition, okay, in fear like condition, the adrenaline hormone is working, okay. That is the nothing but is the emergency hormone. The correct option will be adrenaline, okay. Insulin is not our answer. Progesterone hormone, it is a pregnancy hormone, it is a birth hormone, okay, required for the growth of the baby, okay. Thyroxine hormone, it regulates the basal metabolic rate, okay. That will not be emergency hormone. The correct option will be second, okay. Thank you.